Well, it is time to change the oil on my 2013 Toyota Sienna, and I already made a video about the oil change. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to show you this new tool that I got instead of this. This is the one that I use for the video, but this tool is not the right one. A YouTube user made a comment on the video about the right tool. I didn't get exactly the model that he suggested, and I'm gonna put the model number here for you to see it, and I'm gonna put also this one. This is the right one. I got it from that store and it was $11, $10.99. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I got the filter and I got the oil somewhere in there, right there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna proceed to start to drain the oil and remove the filter housing, and then I'm gonna show you the how this tool fits into the cap of the filter housing. Okay, so this is a 14 millimeter. Might be a little tight. And I am doing it I am working from the left. Actually, I'm not really used to work from the left. Okay, so I have the extension. A little easy, maybe too easy. So you have to insert. You want to insert it, you have to push it in. Oh, come on. See, this is supposed to help you so that you don't make a big mess. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, so I got loose a little thing. Should be able to do it by hand now. Okay, so now that the housing is out, this is what I wanted to show you. This one goes only that far. That's all it can go. So what it does is actually it grips from here. So when you turn it, you are forcing on this surface right here. And this one, when you sit it, it goes all the way. So when you move it, you're gonna have grip in here and on this flaps. So that's all. You want to buy the $30-some tool? Well, that's available. You want to buy this for $10.99? It's available as well. There is. Okay, now I'm gonna do the gaskets, the element. So before we set the gaskets, let's put some lubrication, the same oil that you're going to use for your oil change. And this one goes here. Like so. And we're gonna tie it up once it is installed. And this, we have to remove it. We have to remove this one. And there is only one opening here. Right here. There's like an opening. Like that little part was broken, so here I'm gonna pull it out. It's difficult when you have to do it with one hand. So that goes away, and this is the new one. Okay, let's see, we can do this. And there it is. Now I have here the filter element. And now I'm going to put it back, and after that we'll pour the oil. Alright, let's do this. Tie it up by hand, and then use the tool. Okay, line up. Now we go the other way. Okay, that should do it. Now this one. Okay, that should be good. So I already put 6 quarts. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put about like almost half. Yep, is it should be something around here from the top to around here. Anyway, so here we go. A little bit more, maybe about there. Yep, there, that's half. All right, and that's the end of it. Thank you.